a rupee 120.8 crores metro infrastructure contract, a rupee 1073 crores urban development project, and a rupee 632 crores housing project. This company is on a winning streak. With a strong 5,000 crore rupees order pipeline and a 15% revenue growth target for FY26, this company is building the future. Its stock has surged from rupees 251 to rupees 679 in just 2 years with a 170% return. Stay tuned to uncover this infrastructure powerhouse. Hey there and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the noise to uncover hidden gems in the stock market. I'm Sejal Agrawal, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory. And in today's Noisemaker, we'll be analyzing 3 companies making their recent filings that could fuel their long-term future growth. As always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. So today's lineup includes J. Kumar Infra Projects Limited, Man Industries India Limited, and Sunteck Realty Limited. First company is J. Kumar Infra Projects Limited, which is a leading infrastructure development company specializing in transportation, metro rails, bridges, flyovers, and civil construction projects. The company has secured a rupee 120.88 crore contract from Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation for the Mumbai Urban Transport Development Phase 3A, which includes constructing major bridges, a road overbridge (ROB), a vehicle subway, and other critical infrastructure works. This order will support the company in achieving its FY25 to FY26 revenue growth targets, which are set at rupees 5,600 to rupees 5,700 crores and FY26 targeting 15% growth to rupees 6,300 to rupees 6,500 crores. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at rupees 1,493.6 crores, reflecting a 14.9% quarter-on-quarter growth, and the EBITDA margins remain stable at 14.7%, improving by 10 basis points from the previous quarter, with an order book exceeding rupees 5,000 crores. With its focus on large urban scale infrastructure projects and a strong order pipeline, J. Kumar Infra Projects is well positioned for sustained growth in India's infrastructure sector. Second company is Man Industries India Limited, which is a key player in large diameter carbon steel pipe segment catering to oil and gas, water supply, and structural industries. The company has recently inaugurated a new spiral mill and advanced polyurethane coating facility at its Pithampur plant, increasing its total production capacity to 150,000 TPA. And this rupee 100 crore investment enhances its ability to serve growing demand in critical infrastructure sectors. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at rupees 737.5 crores, with EBITDA margins expanding to 10.8%, up by 290 basis points, and management projects a 20 to 25% volume growth for FY26, backed by strong bid book of rupee 15,000 crores. With an aggressive expansion strategy and growing market share, Man Industries India Limited is set to benefit from rising infrastructure spending. Lastly, we have Sunteck Realty Limited, which is a Mumbai-based premium real estate developer with a strong presence in residential and commercial segments. The company has incorporated a wholly new subsidiary, Astrika Realtors Private Limited, to enhance its real estate operations and future developments. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at rupees 161.7 crores, with an EBITDA margin improving to 29.9%, up by 780 basis points from the previous quarter, and the company maintains a strong gross development pipeline worth rupees 40,225 crores, with FY26 pre-sale growth guided at 25 to 30%. Now, reviewing some of our previous picks, we have Sahana Systems Limited, which was covered at rupees 1,320 and now trading at rupees 1,386.8, up by 5.06%. Axis Gates Technologies Limited, which was covered at rupees 794, now trading at rupees 829, up by 4.4%. Reflex Industries Limited, which was covered at 405.25, now trading at rupees 422, up by 4.13%. Celicor Gadgets Limited, which was covered at rupees 60.45, now trading at rupees 62.95, up by 4.13%. GP Eco Solutions Limited, covered at rupees 277.75, now trading at rupees 258.25, down by 7.05%. Now, summary of our recent filings include J. Kumar Infra Projects Limited, which secured a rupee 120.88 crore infrastructure contract under the Mumbai Urban Transport Project. Man Industries India Limited, which showed expanded production capacity with the rupee 100 crores investment. Suntec Realty Limited, which strengthened its premium real estate portfolio through new subsidiary incorporation. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker, and for more details check out the full report in the description. Stay ahead and stay informed.